Let's now go to Guasha. Let's discuss forgetfulness. People enjoy the best memory around the age 20 when and then cerebral functions will gradually decline. Memory will begin to go downhill around the age 25. The older the age, the worse the memory can be. Along with the acceleration of the rhythm in life, various kinds of pressure increase. So it is very common to see young and middle aged people suffer from forgetfulness. According to Chinese medicine, this is mostly due to weakness of the heart and spleen or deficiency of essential vital energy or the stasis of phlegm. Scraping therapy is conducive to improving forgetfulness. Frequently using the brain is the most effective way of preventing and improving forgetfulness. Keeping a good mood and often taking part in physical exercise are also helpful to maintaining desirable memory and prolonging the aging of brain. Here we can see in the figure the points to be used for the head. It's a Shi Shen Kong points, 4 points that are one tune away from the Bai Shi point in each of the four directions. By Hugh Point, the GV20, at the center of the skull, directly on top of the head, over the two ear tips. Next is the hand, the Nei Guan point, or PC6, between the two tendons about 2 tsun above the wrist joint band. Next is the Shenmen point, on the inner wrist near the small finger when the palm is turned upward. Next is the bladder 10, at the rear of the head, 1.5 tsun from the middle line and 1 tsun above the hairline. Bladder 15 under the fifth thoracic vertebra on the inner side of the scapula, 1.5 tsun horizontally away. Next is GV11 in a cavity below the fifth spinous process of the thoracic vertebra on the posterior midline on the back. Bladder 23, 1.5 tsun horizontally away from the second lumbar spinal process. Recommended procedures: first, Bai Hu point and Shishen Kong point. We use the flat pressing and kneading to press and knead Bai Hu point and Shishen Kong points on the head until soreness and distension are felt. You can also use the multifunctional scraping comb to scrape and comb the top of the head and stimulate these acupoints at the same time. Next is Neiguan point and Shenmen point. We use the surface scraping to scrape Neiguan point on the inside of the wrist from up to down, then use the angle kneading to press and knead Shenmen point on the wrist. Next is the Tianshu point, Shen Dao point, Xinshu point, and Shenshu point. We use the surface scraping to scrape Tianshu point on the neck, Shen Dao point, Xinshu point, and Shenshu point on the back from up to down. Thank you for your attention.